And I'm sure you will progress. Second, have the curiosity of a small child. If you are not curious enough, you don't have the motivation to learn. Look at your small kid. Aakyat, tatakbo, madadapa, isusubo, sasawayin ng nanay. Pag nahulog, akyat ulit, takbo, bangon. Because they want to try everything. Because they are curious. So if I may suggest to you, always be curious. Yes, you might be a marketing assistant, pero ano kayang ginagawa ng teller, ng GenServe? Yes, you can be a branch cashier for a long time. Ano kayang ginagawa ng marketing officer? Tanungin ko kaya, subukan ko kayang upuan ng kahit 30 minutes, isang hapon. Ano kayang ginagawa ng branch head namin? Paano siya makipag-usap? Paano siya makideal sa client? Paano mag-handle ng complaint? Paano i-pacify ang kliyente? Always be curious. And you know what? Kayo mismo, you will be surprised kapag napagtagumpayan ninyo. You will ask yourself, paano ko nagawa yun? Dati hindi ko kaya yun. You know the testimonies of some of the Hall of Famer awardees? They have started from scratch. They've started from practically nothing. But they have tried. And you have tried everything. Reason why you are all here.